Activity AG13 Writing. My name is Juan Segundo Ensastia Rivera. I am Bachelor in Food Science from ITESM Querétaro 2006. In addition, I have a truncated master degree in Business Design from ITESM in Mexico. I am currently studying online software engineering within the UNIDED because I am interested in the creation and maintenance of telecommunications networks, and I also study a master's degree in food safety since July 2018. I am currently single and I do not live with my direct family. However, my family consists of 13 members, of whom 10 are direct and 3 are brothers-in-law. I have 2 older sisters and a younger one. All 3 are married and have children and 1 daughter respectively. I am the tallest of the direct family, but from my brothers-in-law I am the shorter. I decided to study Bachelor in Software Engineering because I needed to know more about software development in the current life. The most of the things are based on an interface which works through a software structure, so I was curious about it and I found the Unity on internet, and I thought it was a very good opportunity to enhance this goal. Unfortunately, I have not much time to put a good effort in. Now, to complete the exercise with 500 words or more, I want to talk about a travel I took a long time ago in 2006 with my family. So I was invited to Lázaro Cárdenas, Michoacán. I do not like hot places. I have been and lived in a very cold places, and I really like the feeling as well as the landscape of those places. However, on that occasion, it was not so bad experience since we went in a season with few people and the weather was cloudy. What I remember of the place is that there were many iguanas everywhere. The bungalow where we stayed looked clean and had good ventilation, so it allowed me to sleep very well. I had been in the coastal places before and I cannot sleep very well because of the environmental heat and the mosquitoes. When those conditions occur, I am always awake and the next day I feel very tired since I almost do not rest. That is the reason why I do not like to go to warm places. My experience in Lázaro Cárdenas was based on swimming in the sea for a while. Diving was the most entertaining activity, and eating food that had nothing to do with fish and seafood, because I have never liked this kind of food. We were walking around the town. I am kind of paranoid, so I was always aware of the people around me and my nephew. I am this kind of paranoid person because of incidents related to delinquency that I had to go through. I do not remember much about the trip, just that one of my nephews, who was at that time about 8 years old, really liked to feel of the feeling of sand in his tongues, which he felt for the first time in his life, and after a while he burned himself completely in the sand. I have few photos of the visit to that beach. Finally, I drove back home due to firmly my brothers-in-law did not dare to do it. For me it was a bit hard, but I was urgent to so badly to be back home to finish some pending task. That's it. Thank you.